Hello again, everyone. This is for the tidy up level in the first era, continuing the crown hunt, and we have 3 crowns, and one can be found in the corner of the room. One can be found in the top of the shelf. It's very large in plain sight, so go back for it. Another is found on top of the cat's head. A present can also be found, and Cousin Leah Moore, who is in the teacup on the floor. And thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and you know the rest. Talk to you soon.する君が言うと上がる言葉だから王子はナンバー2小さなものからコロコロと